Today, we'll delve into the concepts of building and maintaining good credit. Whether you're new to credit or have been managing it for a while, understanding how credit functions is a crucial aspect of personal finance. We'll explore what credit is, why it's important, how to build it, and most importantly, how to sustain good credit. Credit is your ability to borrow money or acquire goods or services with a commitment to pay later. It's essentially borrowing money that you agree to repay, often with interest. Credit is commonly used for significant expenditures, such as purchasing a home or car, obtaining loans, or even renting an apartment. Your credit history is a record of how well you've managed credit in the past, and it's used by lenders and creditors to determine your reliability as a borrower. Having good credit can unlock many opportunities. It can facilitate loan approvals at favorable interest rates, saving you money over time. Good credit is also beneficial when renting apartments or in job applications, as employers and landlords may check your credit history. To start building credit, you could apply for a credit card. If you're new or have a low credit score, consider a secured credit card, which requires a deposit that typically serves as your credit limit. Use this card wisely by making small purchases and paying the full amount due each month. Another way to build credit is by taking out a loan, such as a personal, auto, or student loan. Ensuring timely payments on these loans demonstrates your ability to manage and repay borrowed money. The most critical factor in maintaining good credit is making payments on time. Late payments can severely impact your credit score. If you struggle with payments, contact your lender or creditor to discuss possible payment plans. Keep your credit utilization low. This means using a small percentage of your available credit. For example, if your credit card has a $1,000 limit and you've charged $250, your utilization is 25%. Ideally, keep this ratio below 30% to positively influence your credit score. Building good credit requires time and patience. Maintain older credit accounts to preserve your credit history length, which can positively affect your score. Regularly monitor your credit report to check for inaccuracies or fraudulent activities. You're entitled to a free report from each major credit bureau annually. To improve your score, consider paying down balances or asking for credit limit increases. Becoming an authorized user on another person's credit card can also help build your credit without the obligation to make payments. Be aware of actions that can harm your credit, like missed payments, loan defaults, or a high debt-to-income ratio. Address these issues promptly if they arise. Remember, credit is only one part of your overall financial health. Maintain a budget, save for emergencies, and plan for the future to ensure long-term financial stability. In conclusion, effectively managing your credit by understanding how to build and maintain it, keeping utilization low, and monitoring your credit sets you up for financial success. Stay mindful of potential pitfalls and continuously work towards sound financial management to achieve and maintain good credit.